It's still a work in progress, the ground's still bare. But let's have a quick visit. Welcome to my garden, here on Channel Juan, where I grow, cook, and share. Good morning, I'm happy and just excited. I'll give you a preview of what has happened here, the latest development here at the garden. By the way, there will be a full tour. This will be very quick. I'm going somewhere. Look, the house or the shed is now complete. Well, almost complete. And there, the greenhouse is also complete. Come on, I'll show you. And look, this gate or this fence has been opened, prepared for the eventual building of a gate here. The grass has grown, and we know how beautiful promenade. The apples have recovered. Look, let me first show you the... How about a review of what was here before and of the plan? It will be lined with apple trees and pears, and we will be led to this area. A pergola will be built here. Pergola, very intimate, because look, this is the forest. We are against the forest, and we are covered by this two cypresses, or are they conifers? I'm not sure. For a bit of privacy. This is the extension. This is the extension which I'm still busy constructing. We will be shooting our cooking scene here. There will be a kitchen island here, and doors that open to the guests sitting under the pergola. Windows will be installed here. Windows for a view of the forest, and the glasses are here. It's really dark and too cold to work, that's why I'll leave this for now. What? First the house. Which we moved to this location. Look, it's inspired by an Austrian chalet with hanging flowers here. And look, they're automatically watered. Imagine that. Here, there is one of my chayotes. There will be an update on the chayotes there. Okay. And here is the English garden project. Look, I just planted grass yesterday surrounding this little island here, and there it would be a destination. I'll put there a little theater. This small project. And here the dahlias begin to bloom. I'll give you a complete tour later, but let's go to the greenhouse. Just a quick view, quick preview. Here's a flower bed. A las cuatro. We call this las cuatro because they bloom at 4 p.m. And amaranth. This will be beautiful. And now the tropical department. Look how healthy my ampallayas are. And they begin to blossom, or even to bear fruit. Look at that. And here, more ampallayas, and tomato. And on this inner side, yeah, other side, string beans or spaghetti beans. I hope they will be successful. I hope they will be fruitful. Guess what's inside this glass protection? Kamote, or sweet potato, and some kangkong or swamp spinach. I'm happy with this. And my favorite crops, sweet corn, two sorts. I don't know which would taste better, the taller ones or the shorter ones. The shorter ones begin to bloom. Look. Ay, ay, ay. They begin to bloom. Behind me are things to be disposed after the construction. But this is our latest build. A boardwalk surrounding my pond. Look, the fish, 4 of them survived the winter. Breakfast. And our pergola is here rebuilt. And the kitchen here, which will open. More of this later on our next tour. As promised, it's a short, quick tour, a preview of our new site. We expect more blooms here during the complete summer tour. Thank you for joining me and see you again. See you on the next video. Thank you. Romelo here.